Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and I'm not sure what I did with the dates, but there's still one more Friday left in November, which means you guys get a bonus Thanksgiving recipe. So I figured I would share with you guys a balsamic Brussels sprouts with cranberry recipe. Great side dish and really easy to make. So if you guys like Thanksgiving recipes, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So I've already got my oven preheating to 400 degrees, and then I've got the few ingredients that I need for this recipe. So I've taken my Brussels sprouts and I've cut them in half, and then usually they have like this outer leaf. I took that off as well so that they're just like this. And so now what I'm gonna do is add a little bit of avocado oil. So I've really started using avocado oil because it has a high smoke point and it gives good flavor. So I am just taking a couple tablespoons, mixing it up, and then I'm also just going to add a little bit of black pepper and salt. This is really up to your preference, but I just kind of eyeball it and then give it a good mix. And then I've got a tray here that I've lined with some aluminum foil. I've also sprayed it. And then in a single layer, I'm just going to place all this. Pop it in the oven for about 25 minutes. I'm probably gonna broil it for an extra few minutes to give it that nice color on top. And I'll show you guys when it's ready. All right, it's been about half an hour. I let the Brussels sprouts bake for about 25 minutes and then I broiled it for an additional 5 minutes. But this is what it looks like, nice and charred. To this now, I'm going to add some cranberries. And then I'm going to add some balsamic glaze. Now you can make your glaze yourself. I just had a little bit of the Trader Joe's one left over that I wanted to use up. But making glaze is really easy. All you do is just take balsamic vinegar and let it reduce on the stove on low for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then you just give it a good mix, and really that is it. It's a perfect mix of sweet, tangy, savory, and I think people that really don't like Brussels sprouts, try this dish, and I think it will switch your guys' opinion about it because it's really delicious. All right, time to taste test. So I'm just gonna give myself a little bit. All right, I got a perfect bite of some Brussels sprout and a cranberry. Cranberry and the Brussels sprout is perfectly cooked. You guys, absolutely just melts in your mouth. It's so delicious. The tanginess from the cranberry and the savoriness from just the black pepper and the salt that we added to the Brussels sprouts. Delicious, perfect side dish, really easy to make and only requires, what, 3 ingredients? So definitely give this one a try. If you guys like all these recipes, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.